Ipiriotin lo Ikisila lo egelegela kisali mtu ebe ekutusenga no kolo atekirin kodi suta kalo katakwe Aitutuoro kanu kesi ajeno iponelo itingeti musagono ngun lu egelegela kolo mutos koto matekirin keji noi lu Alupok.
Want to see the number of cases of violence in homes reducing.
Elo mutosno akaulona iriongete lo ray of hope katakwi haitegar ainerka ikilo kiponesholo tidisharete amumu kotoma okalia.
Roho in partnership with Action Aid is advised to conduct a session, special session with the clan leaders with a view to support them understand their roles and also support other community members on how to use land equitably to promote socio-economic development.
Idopitato wa mistake li soma eti polokate kirin nesa gongara wale jasi isapa karibu na tikilio. Ya mistake lo yari tisa somi boro orale nere kada to kema meya iwadi kayete ara eda adiopet na ito bwa kinete keshi. Ya mistake lo uniet ma mishisha na kinete itungalo ateker. Salakut kesi da kwa poko maybe na arai ma mishisha na kita ikesida. Mistake si uni le setenge poloko so di konyete false hope. Inaktose tunga amuno na mamei birajo na chikoni rajo na chane pajana yi anwang mame pajana pera surokiri jo.
Epidod la Ikisila jongete lotere lepa Sam Ogwang ngisi abala ebe erasi apoloko lo atekirin itunga lu etapit ajauti aitemono kini musagono ko chalo no lu Alupok. Ibore ekototori kesi adumon Aitutuoro na ejokona noi.
Atomado katati no kwap na tekeri no chalo kies de serasi ay warakalu sodi nare jaska de pelo lo ajautu ne chakachaka era Alupok ay choro hunle chakachaka eta Alupok. So asini ko tonga tekirni noi kide la ramengo ne jas kesi ay to dolkin kesi pele kwa bala rek kesi.
To support our people, to train them, to skill them on what to do, and we believe with knowledge there will be change in the communities. It may not be immediate, but with time.
Kanu aita nang amumu kwata nat kana ekoto aisha nikini tunga kere abala Emmanuel Cheng epulidalo Action Aid.
Community awareness is the major solution to most of these community issues. People do not know. Men think when land has been given to them by their parents, they have exclusive use and ownership over that land. Unfortunately, family land is supposed to be used to benefit the whole family. Whatever is cultivated on that land is supposed to benefit the family as a whole. And the man, the husband, does not have the right to sell that land or even sell the produce unless there has been mutual understanding, spousal consent.
So e jasi ya pederosho alwa toto otomo bora itele karato Alupok ijaso itelecity le polo no ekedari dakino ne polo sakro ne polo na awanyong lo ebe ta shomu le teong le ko sai sumana ngara kana lo atoto ne sa nyonu be apede rosho kes buai kino otoma iwadi kayata usudu konyata Aitutuoro tunga ata kana Aitutuoro tunga ngunu le jas ke di peleiki to makro le kamana rakada ayuaro na apede rosho kes.
Kanuka TV East Francis Ochen kodi suta kalo katakwi. Kanuka Etop Radio Francis Ochen kodi suta kalo katakwi.